In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to Chime. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Transferring any amount of money from your PayPal balance to a Chime bank account is extremely simple. You will be able to link both services, so PayPal and Chime, and transfer the money directly. So you can do this through the PayPal mobile app or the website, whatever you prefer. Open the wallet application and in here, you will be able to choose Add Banks and Cards. Now, select the Banks option. Now, keep in mind that my app might look slightly different than yours, but overall the process is going to be exactly the same. When you choose the option to link a bank account, usually you will see a list of financial institutions, and among those institutions, you will be able to find Chime. So all that you have to do is choose Chime from the list, and you will be able to sign into your Chime account. So you can use your credentials and your password to sign in. Immediately upon doing this, the Chime bank account will be linked to PayPal. You might have to verify it, so just go through the process and follow the on-screen instructions. With this done, once your Chime bank account has been successfully attached to your PayPal wallet, you will be able to tap on your PayPal balance, see the amount that you have, and underneath it, you will be able to find the transfer button. So choose transfer underneath your balance, and immediately upon doing this, you will be able to select the amount that you want to transfer and choose the Chime bank account. You will be able to choose between an instant transfer, which at most will take some minutes but has a fee attached to it, or alternatively, you can choose one that takes up to 3 business days with no fees attached. Choose whichever one you prefer according to your needs, and as long as you properly link the Chime bank account using your credentials and you tap transfer underneath your PayPal balance, you will be able to send the money over. It is going to arrive on your Chime account and you will be able to use it however you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from PayPal to Chime. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.